Apparently, in this resort, one of the generators was turned off. If you're watching the video of the power shot, short power shot, what happened was apparently one generator was turned off and another was turned on, just to give one generator a break. And then when that one generator was still on, notice this fan sounded somewhat different. It sounded slightly below 60 cycles when it comes to electricity. But when they turned on this generator that's on right now, it seems to be right exactly at 60 hertz. So this fan is now slightly faster and it's slightly higher pitched as well. So anyways, let's check it out now. Just gonna do a brief video. Curtains moving. I'm just gonna use the curtain as my Afro gauge. Yeah, it's much more. It's a bit more powerful right now. Maybe I can do reverse. It doesn't hurt. It's medium, and now I can do the spin down though because I showed the spin down on my last video of it. If you haven't watched it, you should watch it actually. It's a good comparison to how it sounds now. Low. That other sound, by the way, is the air conditioner. I have a video of that as well. It's a Cobble brand air conditioner. Anyways, it doesn't hurt to do reverse. So yeah. Here's low reverse. I always thought these fans were cool. They look nice. They're decent quality fans. Even though they're Westinghouse, Westinghouse nowadays is not the best in terms of quality, but this fan seems to be okay. It's just normally that they're bigger fans that tend to be the ones that are really failure prone. But their smaller fans seem to be a little bit more tolerable with. Not tolerable. What's the word? The smaller fans tend to be a little bit more. Tend to last a bit more, and they seem better quality, but I'm not sure. Actually, I'm not sure if they last long either. It might just be, but they do tend not to slow down as much as some of the bigger ones. Moving good air. Curtains are moving. It's about the same as in forward, but it's about the same as when the other generator was on, but it's a tad more powerful. It's not. You can barely feel it. All you can really see is the fan going faster, but that's about it. So anyways, I'm gonna turn back to forward, and there you have it. Thank you for watching.